Hey guys, in this video we will learn how to use Background Eraser app, its functions and work. Download Background Eraser app from Play Store. After downloading, open the app, tap to load a photo. Select image you want to remove background, crop it and tap done. Now here are functions of the app. Let's understand purpose of these functions. Auto selfie. This function detects people and remove background automatically. When you tap auto selfie, your background will be removed automatically. Auto color. Erase pixels with similar color. Select auto color and tap picture. Same colors will be removed when you place cursor on the picture. Means this function is used for remove same color from picture. Magic. This function auto detects edges. Tap the magic function, then tap the cursor at the edges of image. It will automatically detect the edges of the image. Manual. Works manually by touch. Select manual option and start erase background manually. Repair. This function is for restore removed part which you want to recover. Zoom. This function is for zoom in and zoom out. Put your fingers on the screen and move fingers for zoom in and out. Manual size. This is for increasing size of cursor. And on the top is for cursor offset for increase and decrease distance. Let's understand it. Cursor offset is for increasing and decreasing distance of touch from cursor. And manual size line is for increasing and decreasing cursor size. Background color. This is used when edges of image are not clear. Then change background color silver or blackish for proper editing. Smooth edge. This function is for smooth the edges of the picture for great look. On the top there is save option. Tap save image and tap finish. Your picture will be saved in gallery.